Hi Leos, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do your reading for mid of July and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the middle of the month. Okay, so for those who are new to my channel and haven't subscribed my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be updated about my latest videos. Okay, and this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Okay, so let's start with your reading now. For my Leos, what are the messages for in the middle of the month? Okay, so I can see you, the core situation is the Two of Swords with crossing over with the Knight of Cups. So there might be something, a decision which is pending and you are not able to decide what to do in regards with these things, because actually I can see the hidden meaning over here. I can see that there is something, you are actually not able to decide, because one thing is giving you love and the another thing is giving you peace, because sometimes it does not happen. The one thing which is giving you a lot of love, which is actually making you so happy, will actually also give you peace, give you that mental peace basically. Okay, so you might be loving this thing, might be a person as well, so but you are confused because there is something you want to achieve, but it will not give you mental peace. So the inner meaning, that is why I'm seeing that you want to go towards more calmer situations where you can find more peace, more calmness, and one thing is love as well. Your emotions are attached to one thing. So let's see what is let's clarify the cards. Okay, yeah, so there is something, whatever the situation is, actually you are deciding it because you are basically not able to free yourself from the situation. Might be making you busy in your work. You are tied in this work from all day, from day to night, and you are not getting your time, your me time. So that is why you are like, what to do, I have to. Yes, again, Six of Swords. So you are more into a situation where you are very busy. Let's say if this is a love situation and you are confused between a love situation and your work situation. So the person with whom you are, you love this person, but you seriously, you are in a position where you are caught up with this person cannot even let you breathe, but you love this person, you cannot leave this person. But on the other hand, you are more of that kind of a person who wants peace at the end, who does not want to indulge in all the bad gossiping and all that things. You just want mental calmness. So I can see that you are in that place. For some of you, it's also a difference, an option, a confusion between the two jobs, because one you love to do and the other is making you happy and giving you more peace and more of a calm situations. So let's see. And this is something which is actually hidden. So okay, let's clarify this. Yeah, in one situation your passion is involved, and in one situation your emotions are involved. One situation you are more, that you can be, I'm sorry, you can be at higher situations, you can be at a higher level if you will go with this person or the situation. You know that you can be the emperor in that field. You can be the person, like, a self-made person. You know that if you will continue with going with your passion, you can be at greater heights. But something is actually, your emotions are involved with something. There was something, there's something going in your head, I can see that. And you are like, emotionally you are, intellectually your mind is telling you that I have to fight for this thing. So with the Queen of Swords and the Tower, it might be a divorcee queen or the widow queen. So you are like, I cannot, it might be a situation at your home as well, where you are not able to get so much of peace and calmness, and you are deciding to if the end is also required, if my home, because I can see two towers over here, and if you are going towards that direction, more towards the tower direction, I can see that you are, your mind is actually playing a lot, rather than your passions, your passion and your feelings. You are more into something which is giving you, you know you have seen something and you want to stand by that thing. That is why you are doing that thing. So let's see. Yes, you are in a situation, the Star, Page of Pentacles and the Hermit, that you are leaving that situation. So you wished for something, there was some kind of a hope, you were actually growing within yourself, there was soul searching mode, where you just entered in this new thing and you are leaving that thing. But with the Page of Pentacles, I can see that you were into some kind of new business or new job, new hobby might be, and you actually started finding a hope from this job or from this person you met. So there's something which is actually giving you your soul satisfaction. That is what you are leaving, that energy, and you are entering in a mode where you are now so much, you have had everything, you decided, that soul searching has been done, and you want to work towards your, you are moving very fast, what I see over here with the Knight of Swords and the Tower. It's like there is something you are going to decide. Your decision will be taken very soon. I can see that you are in the middle of a position where you are not able to decide, but a decision is going to be made very soon, and it's going to be, I guess, within this month only. You are going to decide something, and you will go towards, with the Swords energy, I can see with this, you will go towards this situation where you are finding more of a, because the problem is, see, you are entering in that mode which is going to, there will be many mind games, manipulations in your life, but your soul is wanting you to go towards that. You from your heart wants to go, but there is something else which you are leaving behind. You are leaving behind that successful job, you are leaving behind that work, in which you had a lot of passion, you had love for this thing. But I can see that you are entering into that destructive mode more. You want to enter. I'm not judging, I won't judge anything. It's you, it's your decision, it's your life. So all the best for that thing, whatever you are entering towards, because you have wished for this thing, you have took time, you are taking time, whatever you are doing, you are wishing, you have something in your mind, I can see. You are taking a time, you want to collaborate. This is not just one thing why you want to enter in this situation. There are a lot of things which are why you are entering in this situation. So the people around you, they are, because the Wands has come over here with this Knight of Wands and Queen of Wands. So I can see that this situation which you are not accepting, which you are thinking, because it can bring a lot of success to you in your life, this thing is actually going to give a lot of success. With the King of Pentacles, a lot of money, a lot of stability at your home as well. With the Four of Wands and Page of Pentacles, if you are going towards that thing, and this is you, Queen of Wands, the Leo. So my Leos, you are actually wanting to go towards something which can give you stability, but the other thing which you are not accepting will give you more stability, but the choice is yours at the end. See, there are two things, both will give you the satisfaction which you wanted, the soul satisfaction. You want both the things, but it cannot be done both ways, right? You want it, I can see that you don't want to leave that thing as well. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so the guidance card is telling me that if the decision is pending, let it be in the pending mode, because the things will come towards you when the time will come. With the High Priestess, you know that very well. Your intuitions are telling you to move towards something risky. Okay, so you want to do this thing, you want to risk something, you want to risk your job even to enter into that zone. So it's like, okay, so this reading for you is like, for those people who have everything in their life, a very beautiful job, settled family, everything, but still, that kick, basically, that if you have watched that movie Kick, so you want to enter in that kick mode. I cannot find a kick in my life, I want to do this thing. That is why I can see you, that you are moving in that direction, you want that kick in your life. So, well, that is also very good. That means, because you are holding on, you are, yes. The Fool and Five of Swords, you are like, no, I want something of more enthusiasm. Okay, you want to do this thing, you want to enter in this energy with so much enthusiasm. You know that it might bring a lot of risk in your life, it might be a little problem, but you want to enter. It's like a self-sabotaging yourself, but you want it. You cannot help yourself, you want it, and you will get it done. So that's all from my side, my Leos. I hope you like the reading, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.